everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing wonderful today. Before I start, I just wanted to thank all my family and friends for encouraging me, and first of all I wanted to thank one of the couple who asked me to start this channel, and I wanted to thank my daughter who is doing editing and videotaping and sharing with you all. And today I am going to share one of the traditional Indian sweet called Maa Laddu, which is one of my husband's favorite one, and I am sharing this with you, which is easy to make. Hope you like it, and if you like, subscribe and support me. You need 4 cups of roasted chickpeas, 4, and 1.5 cup of sugar, and little bit of cashews, and cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, and 1 cup of ghee. I'm going to make a powder of chickpeas and roasted chickpeas and sugar in a blender. It should be like this. Now I'm going to add sugar and make a powder of this. I'm adding a little bit of ghee and roasting with a little bit of cashews. It should be a little bit of golden brown. Then you can add to this mixture. Adding a little bit of honey. Cardamom powder. Mixing everything together so that everything will be mixed properly. And adding this warm ghee. Now you can see then we have to make a ball of this. It will be just like this. And we can make a ball of it. Now you can make a ball of this. It's so simple and easy. You can make this ball whichever size you want, so it's up to you. I am going to make at least this size. The number of count, it depends on the size of the ball you are making. It's up to you. You don't have to keep it on the stove or anything. Only thing we need is clarified butter. The only thing you have to roast is cashews. Even the cashews, if you have got it from the store, roasted one, you can add it just like that too. Actually, for this size, it came at least 40. Thank you for coming to my channel, and if you like, just subscribe and or just like it. Have a wonderful day.